going to tell us. Like, what's been a cottage industry in the last couple of years is the observation of planet atmospheres. As the planet passes in front of the host star, light from the host star passes through the atmosphere, and it is and the light signature is altered by the chemistry of the atmosphere. So depending on what the chemicals are, it'll influence the spectrum that you get. And when you do that, you can say what the chemical composition of the atmosphere of that star is. There's certain combinations of elements that we would call biomarkers. No, we can't look down to the surface of the planet and look at cities, if there are any. But there are consequences in the atmosphere to there being life on the surface, such as, is there oxygen there? I used to think when I was watching Star Trek when I was a kid, because I saw it in real time, that's how old I am, when it first came out, original series. The Star Trek characters never wore spacesuits.
Yeah.
You ever wonder? I mean, you ever thought about that? Okay. What happens is they visit planets that have nitrogen, oxygen atmosphere, Jim. All right. Well, that's what our atmosphere is, nitrogen. So they find planets with nitrogen, oxygen. They go down. They don't need a spacesuit. So they've actually thought about that, and that's their solution. So that must mean there'd be planets that you could find that. Well, here's the thing. We have oxygen on Earth only because there is life on Earth. Not any kind of life, photosynthesizing life. We have life that takes sunlight, turns it into chemical energy, into itself, into wood, into plants, and one of its byproducts is oxygen. Oxygen is chemically active. If you took away all plants tomorrow, that oxygen would slowly get absorbed chemically into the environment. And then you would not have oxygen there to be viewed by aliens trying to see if we have life here.
And it's pretty surprising to people to note that we're mostly nitrogen in our air.
Oh, yeah, we're 78% nitrogen in our atmosphere.